Alright everybody, I built another model car, which means I can now show you another model car. So this is a review, a final and review. It is AMT's 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28, 1/25th scale 2-in-1 customizing kit. You can build it stock, you can build a street machine. Cover of the box has a very nice street machine. Side of the box shows it in stock. Very nice. And then on the side is the street machine. Gotta love those side pipes. So it comes with the cool add-ons to the engine, or you can just do a standard engine. So this particular kit here, I did it stock, which means I had a few leftover pieces. If you go over here, they show you some chrome that's left over, side pipes, valve covers, engine stacks, and then some engine pieces, extra wheels. Very cool. This kit also comes with two complete sets of Goodyear polyglass tires. Obviously, you can only use one set on the car. Why they give you two identical sets is beyond me. Comes with really cool decals. You get the white striping for the car. You get the black striping for the car. Couple gauges, miscellaneous, and some license plates. So this particular kit, like I said, I did it stock. I kind of want it like a showroom 1968 car. It's very cool. Let me show you the car. So, in 3, 2, 1. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, everybody in between, here is AMT's Camaro. One day I'm going to get myself a turntable so I don't have to spin it around like this. Alright, let me explain it a little bit here. So, this is an AMT kit. I know this has been released a few times. This is, I believe, a 2014 release with this particular box. A lot of flash on the kit. I know some of these AMTs, they don't age too well. A lot of flash, so a lot of cleanup. But other than that, everything seemed to fit pretty well. The only problems I had was the rear end kind of sits a little low around the tire there. It looks pretty straight. I don't know what's going on there. You know what I mean? When you look at the floor, it's straight. So if that's one of the major complaints, that ain't too bad. Everything fit really well once I cleaned it all up. It went together real nice. So original plan for this was to build it in off-white and then do the black stripings. When I painted it the white, and let me say the white is Duplicolor's Wimbledon white. You may have heard me talk about that before. I usually use that for interiors, kind of give it an off-white type finish. I enjoy that for the interiors. So I want to do the off-white with the black stripes. And then when I painted the white and got the color I desired, or the finish I desired, I should say, I had cut the stripings, laid them out on the car, and it just didn't feel right. So, brilliant idea comes to my head. Black top. Masked it all off, and sure enough, boom, bada, dingle. I think it looks pretty sharp. I think that was the little extra it needed. So that's Duplicolor flat black, Duplicolor Wimbledon white, decals provided with the kit. Blacked in the grill, turn signal amber for the whatchamacallit, turn signals there. I left the hood open because I like to show off my engines a little bit. They're box stock, nothing fancy. The orange I use for the engines are actually, for my Chevy engines, is actually Model Master Sunburst. Very cool color. I could take the hood off here, paint it in the underneath. I think that looks pretty sharp. So I thought that was pretty cool. These little touch-ups here, as I look at it here, I notice there's some touch-ups I need with the flat black paint. And also I realized before I started filming, I totally forgot to add the battery in. So with a little detail painting, the battery's going to go in the corner over here and call that done. So, is what it is. The chrome trim is Tester's model pen, or yeah, the Tester's paint pen, silver. Interior, Rust-Oleum red with painted the floors flat black. The top of the dashboard gloss black. Kind of hard to see in there, but steering wheel's brown with silver. And then I did some brown, some wood along the center console, which kind of goes up the center there. Kind of hard to see. It is what it is. So like I said, it's an AMT kit. Nothing big, nothing fancy. Old AMT. Put it on its side. There you go. Looks pretty good. Suspension goes together very, very simple. I mean, that's literally like one piece. It all goes together. The engine with the exhaust goes right through. Yeah, kind of dry brushed the bottom here to bring out some of the highlights of the bottom. One of the little problems I had, the tires sit very well. The wheels sit very well. Like I said, the back wheels a little goofy, but the front one kind of sits a little outward. I may play with that a little bit. I may just leave it. Haven't decided. Like I said, wanted to keep the hood open. These hood things here, latches here with the springs, they don't keep the hood open as well as they should. So I'm thinking that may be glued in to keep it open. You know what I mean? There's little knobs on the sides here where they're supposed to rest. Yeah, it works well. So that may be glued in. So, of course, if you have those on, you really can't put the hood on. So it's like, if you choose to use it, the hood open, you don't really have the option to keep it closed. Or it looks like that. So I'll probably glue those in. So this car is really good. I really enjoyed it. Not a lot to say about it, but I was excited to show it off to you guys because I'm really, really proud of this. This is going to look really cool on the shelf with a bunch of the other ones. Like I said, this one here you could build in a couple days if you do it real quickly. It's real simple. So, without further ado, this is my build, final, and review for AMT's 1968 Camaro. Everybody, thank you for watching. Subscribers, non-subscribers, please subscribe. Appreciate everybody. Love everybody. All right. I'll see you guys later.